In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 incredibly useful websites that will completely change how you create content. Minimax. It's useful AI for your videos. If you don't want to show your voice or whatever, let me show you how it works. So basically, you can select voice, like deep
Stand at the
storyteller.
edge of the canyon and listen.
Type this, type here some shit, I don't know, very fast bear, and you hit generate, and you have a voice.
Freddy Fazbear.
Freddy Fazbear. This, it's remove background web. Unexpectedly, this web is removing background from your picture. So you just hit blop, blop, and it will remove the background. And now you can have a pretty good URL without the background. You hit download, and now you have a picture. TurboScribe. It's web for your subtitles. So you will generate, like I generated the Freddy Fazbear text. Now you will download it. Then you will hop, and it will transcribe. Now you wait. Let me open CapCut. And now you will export transcribe. SRT, hit the one, download. You will take this to your CapCut and whoppa, and you have subtitles. And don't mind this text, you can delete it in here. Basically, you have subtitles in the timeline. What do you want? Leonardo AI. If you want to generate some pretty image or thumbnail and you have very much models, you can pick up whatever you want. It costs credits, but every day your credits resets. And I type generate me skinwalker. Yeah, you generate for credits, and after some time you will have skinwalker. Yes. Okay, so now I have image and it generate me pretty skinwalker. Yeah, looks like Charlie Kirk in the heaven. Yeah, Instagram downloader. You take a video. What do you want to download?
You can
Take a link to your video. What do you want? You paste it here, hit download. You have to verify you are not a robot. Okay, and you hit download video and it will download, and I can open it
I wish I could get a free bed.
and I have the video. And you can put it in your, I don't know, CapCut or something. And because you are a good boy, I have a bonus for you. It's called My Instance. You have the sound, like sound effects. Yeah, sound effects. Like fa, and then you can download it and put it in your video too. Thank you for paying attention, and now enjoy your day. Goodbye.